Good day, everyone. Once again, it's time for us to say or to explain paper 12 of bond. Now let's go on with number 1. It says 240 children are going out for the day by bus. Each bus can carry 52 children. How many buses are needed? All we need to do is 240. We do 240 for number 1, 240 divided by 52. Okay, 2 here, 26. 2 here, 120. 2 here, 13. 2 here, 60. 13 in 60, that will be 4, remainder 8. So it means 4 buses will be used, but the 8 children will be in another. So what we need to do is this is more than 4, so it's a total of 5 buses. Okay, number 2, a train departs at 7:49 and arrives at 10:13. How long is this journey? So all you just need to do is to subtract 10:13 minus 7:49, remembering that your minutes, 60 minutes make an hour. So that's what we need to do here. So the next one, number 3, says multiply each of these numbers by 100. So we all know what to do by 100. When you multiply by 100, your decimal point move 2 places to the right. Okay, to move 2 places to the right. So that's what we need to do here. So 3, 4, 5 is similar. So I'll leave that at that. Now number 6 says this is a plan of our bedroom. Scale 2 centimeter represents 1 meters. So what is the perimeter of the bedroom? Now the perimeter is adding all sides. This side plus this side plus this side plus this side. So if this place is 4, okay? If that place is 4, we don't know what this is. Okay? So how do we get the perimeter if we don't know this? So all we need to do is, since 2 centimeters represent 1 meter, we have to use our meter rule. So we measure using our ruler to know what the length of this place is. Once we know the length, we can now add 4 plus this length plus another 4 here plus the length we'll get here. So once you add that, you get your answer for number 6. Now quickly, let's move on to number 7. Number 7 says, we will need dash floor tiles of 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter to cover the whole floor. Now we have to change the meters in the diagram to centimeter for us to know how many 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter floor tile will cover everything. So what you do, when you get the total, you now divide it by 50, the total dimension. That is 4 times 100 times whatever this question mark is, times another 100 over 50 times 50. So whatever we get will be our answer. So automatically this 0 will cancel this 0. So we have 4 times whatever this is times 100 over 25. Then we'll get our final answer. Okay, number 8. We decide not to put the tiles under the bed. How many do we now need? So all you just need to do, whatever we need minus what you calculate for just the bed. Okay, for the dimension of the bed. Now number 9, what's the area of the bed? Just the way you got. Once you have the full dimension, all you need to do is take 2 times whatever this is. Then you get the area of the bed. And what is the area of the bedroom? That will be 4 times this 4 times whatever this question mark is. That is how you get the area of the bed. And the bedroom is, the bed area will be gotten like that. So let's quickly go on to number 11. Now, there are 30 children in class 4. There are 2 girls to every 3 boys. That's the ratio. So how there are dash girls. So we do, for girls, it will be 2 over the total ratio. The total ratio is 2 plus 3, which is 5, times 30 over 1. So we know that we have 12 girls. I believe you can calculate how many boys we have. Now, the pairs of factors of 28 are 1 and 28. So what are the other factors? So after 1, 2 can go in 28. 2 times what? 14. Then can 3 go in 28? I'm taking it consecutively. 1, 2. So 3 cannot go, but 4 can go. 4 times what? 4 times 7. So with that, we have all the pairs. So you do the same thing, starting with 1 and 36 here, then the other one you do it, okay? So I'll leave you with that. I believe we still remember when we did factors of numbers, so that is the knowledge that we use to calculate this. Now quickly, let's go on to this Venn diagram. It says that the children in our class made a Venn diagram to show how many have dark hair and brown eyes. So how many children are in our class? What you do is to add everything together. 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 to get the number of children in the class. Now, how many children have dark hair? Dark hair will be 6 plus 3 because everything in this shows dark hair. So how do we get the number of children with brown eyes? Everything in the circle that represents brown eyes are the children with brown eyes. Now, number 30 says, how many have both dark hair and brown eye? Where the two meet are the numbers of children that has that. Then how many dark children don't have dark hair? That means dark hair. Every other thing outside this circle, and you have 4 and 5. So you add that together to get your answer. Then dark children don't have brown eyes. You remove brown eye, every other thing outside the circle of brown eye does not have brown eye. So quickly, we go on to number 35. So now number 35 says we should fill the missing number. 5 times 6, 30 times what will give you 300. 3 times 4, 12. 12 times what will give you 240. And that's what you do for all. You check, you multiply, you do, like I just said, all you just need to do for number 33 is 300 divided by 30. Or 30 times what will give you 300. And I believe we can sort this out. Now, number 41 to 46 says we should change the fraction into percentages. And I know we all know what to do. Percentage means multiply by 100. Just multiply 20 over 40 times 100 over 1. You cut to get your answer, and you do that for all the other ones. Okay, that's what you do. Now, number 47 to 50. I believe you have done this previously, so we all know what to do. Like I'll do the first one. 27 times 10, 270. 270 minus 3 will give you 267. So you take each number, carry out these two operations, and drop the answer there. I believe with this, we understand what we need to do. All the best as you solve your bond math.